Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful's home school, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, morning shift. Today I will take an English literature class for class 1 students, and our today's topic is Unit 6, question answer and MCQ. And this is your third class of the annual examinations. So my dear students, open your book, we will read again the unit and then solve the question answer and MCQ. Okay, so open your book, let's go to Unit 6, summer. We will again read because it is very important to read for solving the questions and MCQ. Unit 6, summer. Rohan, Jara, come, let's play football. So Rohan wants to play football, okay? Jara, oh Rohan, it's very hot, it's summer. So we can understand that it's very hot because it is in the summer. In summer it's very hot. Rohan, why is it so hot in summer? Jara, that's because the sun shines brightly in summer. So why it is hot in the summer? That's because the sun shines brightly in summer. Rohan, how can we keep cool when it is hot? Jara, we must drink a lot of water to keep cool. We can also drink fruit juices. Here have some coconut water. So we must drink a lot of water to keep cool in the summer. Rohan, thanks. Jara, we must wear cotton clothes to keep cool. We can play indoors in the daytime. We can swim. We can eat a lot of fruits. So we can play indoors, means inside the house in the daytime. And we can also eat a lot of fruits. Rohan, oh, I can eat ripe mangoes and juicy watermelons. What fun. We are going to next page. Jara, yes, it is fun. Do you know that the days are long in summer? We can play for a long time every day. Rohan, oh, I love summer. So today we will solve the question answer first. So before going to question answer, we have to know three things. First one, if the question starts with does, we will add s or es after the main verb. When we will answer the questions, we will add s or es after the main verb. Next one, if the question starts with do, we will not add s or es. That's why I have written no s or es after the verb or after the main verb. Did, and if the question starts with did, we will add ed after the main verb. So if the question starts with does, we will add s or es. If the question starts with do, we will add no s or es. And if the question starts with did, we will add ed. So let's come to the question answer. What does Rohan want to play? As the question starts with does, we will add s or es after the verb. First, when you are answering questions, we have to take this portion from the questions. We have to take this portion from the questions. So Rohan want, we add s. Why we are adding s? Because the question starts with does. That's why we add s after the verb. So what does Rohan want to play? Could you please come to the unit again? Rohan says, let's play football. So Rohan wants to play football. Then we will come to the question answer. That's why Rohan wants to play football. Okay. Next one. Number 2. How does the sun shine in summer? Could you please come again to the unit again? The sun shines brightly in summer. So how does the sun shine in summer? The sun shines brightly in summer. Let's again go to the questions. How does the sun shine in summer? Again I am saying you will have to take this part, subject, verb and other things from the questions. The sun shine, we are adding is. Why we are adding is? Because as the question starts with does, we will add is after the main verb. So the sun shines brightly in summer. Next question, look at very carefully. This is question number 1, this is question number 2 and this is question number 5. Why this is question number 5? Could you please come to these questions? Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. As we have shortened the syllabus, annual syllabus, I have cut down 3 and 4. So we will not read 3 and 4 questions from this unit. We will read only question number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we will not read this annual examinations. We have shortened the syllabus. Next, number 5, where should we play in summer? So if you come to the unit again, we can play indoors in the daytime. So where should we play in summer? So again I say you have to take this portion from the question. After subject we, after subject auxiliary verb will come. We should then play indoors on summer days. So why should we play in summer? We should play indoors on summer days. So we have finished our question answer. Let's do multiple choice questions. Number 1, Zara doesn't want to play football because it is very hot. She doesn't like to play football. She's tired. So can you please come to the unit? Zara says it's very hot in summer. That's why she doesn't want to play football. So the answer will be Zara doesn't want to play football because it is very hot. Next, number 2. You must play indoors on a summer day because the sun shines brightly and it is very hot. It rains heavily. It becomes cloudy. So if we come to the unit again, you must play indoors on a summer day because the sun shines brightly in summer and it is very hot. Okay, so the answer will be number A, the sun shines brightly in summer and it is very hot. Number 3, last one. To keep your body cool, you should. To keep your body cool, you should eat lots of food, eat fruits and drink lots of water, eat lots of meat. So what will be the answer? Let's come to the unit again. We must drink a lot of water, first one, and second one, we can eat a lot of fruits. So the answer will be eat lots of fruit. No, number B. Answer will be number B. Eat fruits and drink a lot of water. And this is your SW. SW2, Summary on Sunday. Number 1, Unit 6, Summer. Question answer. So you will do SW only the question and answer. This SW is very important for you, boys and girls. You will have to submit all your SW copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the school library, and you will also take back those copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Do your SN SW at home because your SBA and city mark will be given on the basis of the submission of the SW. Guardians or anyone else can come to school for collecting or submitting the SWs. So my dear students, that's for all today. Keep practicing at home about verb tense. Stay home, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.